What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna review the new Colourpop Smoke Show collection. So if you guys wanna see what this is all about, then definitely keep on watching. This is not the video that I wanted to film today. Nope. So if you guys don't already know, I have actually teamed up with Chrissy Harless, and I will link her channel down below. But her and I teamed up to do an epic giveaway. So last week when Jeffree Star released his mystery boxes, I got my hands on two, that's right, two Supreme boxes, and she got her hand on two deluxe boxes. So we decided to come together to do one big epic giveaway. So one winner from both of our subscribers is gonna win the Supreme and the deluxe box. But lucky for her, she gets her box tomorrow. I'm still sitting here in limbo wondering when I'm getting my box. Now I understand that last week power went out, so he didn't have internet and things are not in his control, which I completely understand. But everybody's getting their mystery box and I'm sitting here over like, please, I just wanna get mine. But yes, I wanna let you guys know the cat is out of the bag. Her and I are teaming up to do one big epic giveaway. So as soon as I get my box, guys, just know I'll have that video up ASAP so we can get this giveaway going. Hopefully hers are gonna be out tomorrow and mine will be out shortly after. We might release ours together. But just know this is not the video I wanted to film today. I wanted this to be my unboxing, but unfortunately it's not. But it will be up as soon as I get the box, and the giveaway, I guess it's already started. So if you guys wanna go ahead and subscribe both of our channels, make sure you guys do. Make sure you guys turn your notifications on, because as soon as you get these boxes, the giveaway will be open. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into this review. This is not what I wanted to do today. But things are not in our control, which I understand. Now, last week, Colourpop rolled out with the Smoke Show collection. It's an eyeshadow palette, it's super shock shadows, it's eyeliners, it's mascaras, it's lipsticks, it's face cleansing oil. They rolled out with a whole 9 yards, and the only thing I decided to buy was the Holy Smoke selection. It's gonna be the eyeshadow palette with the 2 liners, because I didn't need the mascara, I didn't need the liquid lip, or the super shock shadows, or the face cleanser. I didn't want to do any of that, but what I really wanted was the palette, because of course I have all of Colourpop's monochromatic palettes in the back, and I have to add to my collection. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started and dive on into this review. Now, I totally forgot what this actually cost me. So the Holy Smoke set does cost $20, and it says, get super smoky with their grayscale palette, Smoke Show and cream gel liners in Swerve and Kicker. So the gel liners by themselves retail for a total of $5.50, and the palette does retail for $12. Interesting. I wonder what they say about this actual palette right here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, your Smoke Show. This grayscale palette is a glam, smoky eye lover's dream. With 3 glitzy metallics and 6 blendable matte shadows, create the easiest smoky eye ever. When grayscale gets glam, you asked. We made it. So this is vegan and cruelty free, and seeing as how this retails for $12 and there are 9 shadows, it makes it $1.33 per shadow. So that's actually really not that bad. So let's go ahead and dive on into this. So this is the palette right here. I think it's actually really adorable. Like, not adorable, but I think it's really nice. I really do like how it looks. And then when you look on the inside, these are so freaking gorgeous. I'm really liking this. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. These colors right here are actually rather intimidating to me, just because I don't ever play around with like silvers and blacks. I don't ever do smoky eye. Like, at least with these colors, I don't ever do a smoky eye. I'll give you guys like a little tidbit about myself. I'm not a professional at it. So it's really intimidating to get a palette like this. And yes, Bob and Ross are here making their appearance again. But yeah, it's really intimidating to play around with shadows like this, because I don't really know exactly what it is I'm doing. But what I do like about this palette right here is that there are no pressed glitters in this palette, which I think is fantastic, because Colourpop is known for putting pressed glitters in their palette, and they are not safe on the immediate eye area. So I'm really glad they did not add any in here for the first time, that they didn't. And there also doesn't seem to be any sort of colors in the back here that indicate that it's not safe for the eye area either. So I think for the first time in a while, Colourpop is actually delivering a palette that I can use completely with no issues. So let's go ahead and swatch these colors for you guys. I can tell you guys right now that I'm probably gonna be, once again, a little biased when it comes to Colourpop, just because I do love Colourpop formula. It is so good, especially for the price point. Oh my God, I love Colourpop. All right, so on the first one we have Young Love, that's cute. Smokin', Stone Face, Slated, Starstruck, hell yeah, I'm starstruck with that. Ignite, Let's Do It, Full Metal, and Night Dream. These are some really stunning, stunning colors. Now there are some blacks in here and I don't know how well I'm gonna play with the blacks. Oh my God, how long? Oh no, oh. Let me go wash that off. All right, now that we got that fixed, I wanted to let you guys know that I actually received a package, I want to say like 2 days ago in the mail from BoxyCharm, which by the way, they did open up the wait list. I signed up for the wait list and here's hoping that I get it. The only thing I don't know or a little unsure about, it says that if you were activated off the wait list, you're going to see a $25 charge for BoxyCharm and then a $35 charge for Boxy Premium. So, and it says like for the first month. So I'm like, am I paying $60 for the first set? And it says you're gonna get like 5 more items, the value $340. I'm a little unsure what's gonna happen on that one, but I'm sure we'll find out. But I actually did get this in the mail. So I guess this is what I originally had asked for instead of the curler with my Boxy Luxe. They did mail this out to me and I'm kind of glad they did because I completely forgot about this. So I figured for today's video, why not try these brushes since these were so coveted and these are the ones I requested. So let's see how well they do and if they are worth the wait because I, completely forgot. And hey, I just now realized they match today's little theme. All right, so I already have concealer laid down. I'm not entirely sure what type of look I want to go for. Actually, I think I'm gonna start in the inner corner. I kind of like starting in the inner corner and then working my way out. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna start with this little guy right here. And this is Starstruck, and oh my God, it is such a color. So pretty. And I'm gonna start to just place that, wow, look at that. That goes on so freaking smoothly and it's so pretty. One of the things I really love about Colourpop and their formula is how buttery it is, especially when it comes to the shimmers. Like they are so pigmented and they just literally just slide right onto the skin. All right, so now that that is laid down, it's kind of messy on this side. I want to go into Full Metal right next to it. It's this beautiful like dark gray shimmer. I'm actually gonna start to place that right next to it. It has actually like 5 shimmers and 4 mattes in here. It's actually it's really nice, actually. How many times am I gonna say actually? Go back into Starstruck and start to blend these out together. Looks a little messy, but it is so pretty. All right, so now that that is laid down, I'm gonna go into Slated right here. Take the brush, and we're gonna start to just pack this on at the end. Ooh, I don't know if this is the right brush to use. Gets into the crease rather nicely though. Definitely a little messy for sure. Definitely not the right brush, so I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna go into a different brush. Of course, there's definitely some cake up in the pan to be expected. Colourpop always has a lot of fallout. That's why I always wait to do my foundation after I do my eyeshadow, because you guys see right here, there's already like fallout on the face, but that is such an easy cleanup. All right, so now that that is laid down, I'm gonna go into Stone Face right here. I think it's a really, really light gray color. And I wanna take it and I wanna just literally buff it up here, try to blend out this harsh line that I have going on. Y'all, that is so messy. Oh, it needs to be cleaned up. Whew. But it's actually really starting to look really nice. I like it. It's like a rockerish vibe with this. I don't know if this is like an everyday wear. I don't know if I'd wear this color every day. I mean, I'm sure someone could really rock this out every single day. I just don't know if I could. I mean, I know that definitely could not wear this at my job, but for sure it is pretty nice. Let's just take this and try to... Aw, I just made that all over my face. Oh, that is so messy. Okay, so now that that is laid down, it needs to be cleaned up so badly because I'm having so much fallout on my face and there's literally so much fallout in the pan. But again, that is to be expected because it is a cruelty-free and a vegan palette, so they don't use carmine in here, which is going to be crushed beetles. They do use dye, and so it definitely has more of pigment in here, so it can cause more of a fallout because they literally press it in here pretty hard. But I'm still really liking this palette. Like, I knew I was going to like it because anything from Colourpop truly is such an amazing, amazing palette, just because the way they formulate everything is just so nice. But this is extremely messy and I really need to clean this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off at camera. I'm probably gonna go in with like Let's Do It to do like a really big smoky eye like underneath, and I'll probably go in with like a silver on the inner corner to really make it pop. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish off the rest of the face, guys, and I will be right back to do the rest of the review. And this is the final look. So I went back into Smoke Show, I want to say Smoke Storm, and I went into Smokin' right here to do the inner corner as well as the brow bone. And then I also went in with Let's Do It, a mix with Young Love to do the underwater line. And then I used the gel liner in the color Kicker to do the waterline. And then as for the lips, I know that he did, wow. Ooh, I know that Colourpop did release a black liquid lip, but instead I went in with Lunar Beauty, Wicked, and then I also used the gloss Enchanted right on top, and I feel like it really like brings this look together. Now I'm really like giving myself Xenon Girl the 21st Century vibes with this eyeshadow. I think it's really nice, I really do like it, but I don't think it's an everyday wear personally, especially with this lip. I mean, like people could wear this every single day. I could not wear this look every single day. Like it's just not wearable for me, especially at my job. I mean, if I wore this to my job, I think they'd send me home and be like, no, you gotta wash your face. But overall, I think it's a really beautiful palette. I mean, grays and blacks. I think it's, oh my God, how long have I been talking about on top of my teeth? Oh, this is spreading. I mean, grays and blacks, like, it's beautiful. It's just not an everyday wear for me, and I really do think it's gorgeous. And of course, I was gonna loving the palette. Do I think this palette is definitely worth it? Of course, it's $12. There's 9 shadows in here. There's no pressed glitters, so it's safe for the eye, and there's like 5 shimmers, 4 mattes, and I think it's gorgeous, and it's great monochromatic theme. I'm so glad I'm adding this to my collection. This is not something I'm gonna pick up every single day, unfortunately, just because it's just not the best color scheme for every single day, but I'm sure somebody out there will get such amazing use out of it. I too think this is definitely worth it. Like I said, I bought the eyeshadows plus the 2 gel liners for $20 in total. Honestly, you guys cannot beat this. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I do love their monochromatic themes, and I'm so glad I got this. Is it one of my favorite monochromatic palettes from them? No, I think Orange You Glad or Honey is still one of my favorite. This right here, it's beautiful, and I'm really glad I have it because gray is one of my top 3 favorite colors. It's just not like a vibe that I'm gonna be, you know, wear every single day. Now, I, again, am so sorry this is not the video that I wanted to record. Like, I even wore my Jeffree Star, like, you know, hi, how are ya t-shirt, because I really want to film that giveaway, but unfortunately, I do not have my box yet. But now you guys know this giveaway is going on, so make sure you guys are subscribed both to myself and Chrissy Harless's channel. We will be checking. Make sure you guys leave a comment on that video when that video rolls out. Do not comment down on this one saying where I could find you, because this is not the giveaway video. That one is coming up, but just know that is rolling out, and I really want to film that today, but unfortunately I do not have my box. But once I have it, I swear I'm gonna get it as soon as possible. But I am glad that I am doing this review, because I mean, I was gonna do this review regardless of anything, because I really do love reviewing Colourpop, because I love Colourpop, and I do think it's a really pretty palette. This is just not one of my favorites, and it's kind of like an intense look if you really think about it. I mean, I think it's great in time for the Halloween season. I feel like I really pull this off for Halloween, and I really do like wearing a black lipstick. Surprisingly enough, I really didn't think I was gonna get into it, but I really do enjoy it, you know, and I have to run out in a little bit, so this should be quite interesting to see how many stares I get. And I'm wearing a black shirt, I mean, so I guess I'm gonna look like gothic or something, and so they're gonna be like, oh, this chick is like gothic, you know. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance Corey, and stay tuned to that giveaway. As soon as it comes out, I will get it up for you guys. And as always, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. So it says on a scale of 1 to 10, you're smoked with 3 glitzy metallics and scents blended scents for the immediate use. of FDA, and there also seems not. I could not tell you where I put it. Not the video I wanted to film today. It's frustrating. Cry. I'm gonna cry about it. I really feel like I'm giving myself Xenon Girl the 21st Century vibes. Cause like my eyeshadow is just so gray. And it makes me want to sing zoom, zoom, zoom. I really do like, I feel like I'm in a South Park game right now. I love it.